Yo, so guys, welcome back to another video. This is another daily dose of internet reaction. This one is Gorilla Checks on Injured Bird. The video that I did last time actually went down quite well, so why did I say that so weird? So I'm gonna do more of these reactions. As again, you all just seem to enjoy it, and yeah, I mean, if people seem to enjoy reactions, I'm gonna do more of them. These are short reactions, but that means I can do more of them, and yeah, really, that's about it. But let's just get into this and see. So Gorilla Checks on Injured Bird. Let's just check this one out, man.
Hello everyone, this is your daily dose of internet. This
I love
bird
his
flew
voice
into
for
the
some
glass
reason.
window and got hurt, so
So
this gorilla
nostalgic.
ran over to make sure it was okay.
Wait, what?
Hello everyone, this is
Oh my
your
God.
daily dose of internet. This bird flew into the glass window and got hurt, so this gorilla ran over to make sure it was okay.
Oh my god, that's so sad. Oh my god, that is insane. He's just kissing it.
Oh my goodness. How?
Are you videoing that?
Yep. I'm talking about
He's trying to get it. It looks like he's trying to get it to go.
Satan's fly. As if to say,
This is the most wholesome content
This
I've
person
seen.
climbed to the top of this
Oh,
mountain in
stop.
Switzerland and got this incredible shot.
Oh my god. See, that stuff just fucks me up, man. People are wild, man. I mean, look, do what you gotta do. Adrenaline, I can't say the word. Adrenaline, that's the one. Junkies. The craziest people out there, man, but they enjoy what they do, right? But just look at this. Oh, oh, the clouds are swell. Nah, man, that ain't me. I'm not doing that with myself. I'm sitting in this chair comfy. But I rate it, man. I do. I really do.
we know you're upset
This is what a baby beaver sounds like.
Oh, that's incredible. Oh my god. Oh my god. I need that. I need a beaver. I need a baby beaver. That's incredible.
What's wrong?
Na, komm.
What?
This
like
is
a
what the
dog.
northern lights look like in real time.
Oh my days. That is unreal. That is insane. This is probably the craziest video I've seen on the Northern Lights in my life. Look at that, man. Fucking
Ja.
This is what happens when you jump on a ship that's going over large waves.
What the hell? It's like he's in space. What the fuck? See, this stuff blows my mind. How? How? How do you even do that? Bro, people are crazy. How they do this stuff? Like, just mate, how? Oh, fuck off! What? Oh, this stuff. No. Stop it. Oh, fuck off, man.
This is corn syrup, which is the stuff you will find in your favorite sodas such as Pepsi, Coca-Cola, or Sprite.
God, that just looks like diabetes on a plate, man. I'm not even gonna lie. What the fuck? Oh my god.
I wanted to let everyone know that I do have a gaming channel now called Daily
wow.
Dose of Gaming if you wanted to get to know me a little better as a person. That's the end of this video. I really hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you guys again very, very soon. Later.
Shout out to him, man. Shout out to his gaming channel as well. Hopefully that goes well. I mean, his content is great, so I'm sure it will. But I just love these videos. They're just so sort of just makes it, again, it just makes your day a little bit better, right? Just seeing these clips, man. But Yeah, I was thinking that's what the baby beaver literally sounds like a human, like a little like a human baby. Like, it was. I was like, what the hell? It's crazy how that can make that sort of sound. Gorilla used helping hand on bird. This guy's literally the worldwide internet video entertainment. The baby beaver sounds like a baby whose mouth is full of candy and doesn't want his mum to know. This is corn syrup, and this is the stuff found in American arteries. Man, what was the one that I really enjoyed? The fucking skateboard one, or pennyboard, that's what they're calling it. Pennyboard. I need to see this again. This just... It pisses me off how much it just fucks in my head. That is unreal, man.
This is corn syrup, which is the
Jesus Christ, my head is spun. But I hope you guys enjoyed this reaction. More Daily Dose of Internet on the way. I'm going to do a lot of these reactions because I've got to do a lot of the older reactions to do. Or videos to do. There's a lot of that I've seen, so I'm not going to react to them ones, but I miss a lot of his videos as well. So I'm probably going to do them over the coming weeks and days or whatever, how you want to say it. But hopefully you guys enjoyed this reaction. And until next time, like, subscribe. Peace.